Welcome to Disversal Adventures. It's been a while. We're at Epcot, as you can tell by the ball behind me. We're just gonna go have some fun with some family. You guys are gonna come join our adventure. Oh yeah. As you can see, they opened the new area because that area right over there is closed because of all the remodeling. So yesterday was the last day for like the pin traders area over there. They moved it underneath the ball now. So you have to go this way, or there's another entrance over on the other side. So those are your only two ways. You can't go up the middle anymore, near where the fountain was. No more. You ready for the new Epcot? First up, the Seas with Nemo and friends. Love this ride.
Hi, I'm Dory.
I am looking for my son.
Ooh, I can help. Oh, no.
It's Nemo.
Where?
I don't know where. That's why.
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of blue.
That's jellyfish.
You're good. And I'm thinking
Jellyfish. And the next one, jellyfish. I wonder if fish Nemo. Why did you from boy from little boy? Oh, what are you from little boy? Totally, but everybody's looking for you. Aw.
When your dad was fun, he was all like, whoa! And then there was like, whoa! And then there was like, whoa! But when I saw jellyfish, anglerfish, and sharks.
Every once in a while, they'll have a scuba diver, like that lady right up there in the tunnel, and talk about the scuba diving thing. So be on the lookout at the exit of Finding Nemo, so you'll be able to see stuff like that. It's really cool. Gonna do something we don't ever do with the Disney and Pixar Short Film Festival. I do like this thing. We just never come at it.
Yeah, I know all about the senses. There's sight, sound, smell, touch, coochie-coochie-coo, and taste. Taste my chicken. Can I go? Please, please, please.
No, I don't want you out of my sight.
Out of sight? Okay. Come on, everybody. Here we go.
Figment, you are not to interfere with the tour.
First, hello?
Hello.
Who is this?
It's Figment.
Figment? I thought I told you not to interfere.
But you got it wrong, Doc. It's not about listening with your ears. It's about listening with your imagination.
Now I've completely lost my train of thought.
No, you haven't. It's over here. All aboard. Woo-hoo! Next stop, imagination.
Familiar smells coming to play.
Coming to play? I'd love to.
Figment, this is not a good time.
It's always a good time to use your imagination. So let the good times roll. Woo! You win one cent.
Figment, don't! Oh, yeah, that really stinks.
Of course, Doc. The nose knows. One pop of the whip can send you reeling. You've had all day. With just a spark of inspiration, I've made my house. And you know they round, face down, side up, and upside down. Now here's a real old house. Come on in. So what do you think about this?
More than you can imagine.
Doc, it's exactly what I imagined. Imagination is the brains of the house.
Of course. Imagination isn't just turning your thinking upside down. Come on, Figment, it's time to get back to the Institute.
I know a shortcut.
So, as you can plainly see, imagination works the best when it's set free.
You said it, Doc. Imagination is a blast.
From me and you.
Of inspiration is at the heart of all creation, right at the start.
Cacao, coffee, and rice are well known around the world. These are just a few of the edible plants that have been an important source of nutrition for people living in the tropics. Many are rich in vitamins and minerals, while others are well adapted to growing in less than ideal conditions. Some, like the water lily, thrive in wet, swampy areas and waterways. All parts of this plant, even the flower petals,
It's Mickey Mouse. He's famous.
one day, many of these lesser-known tropical plants may be as important as the bananas growing on both sides of the boat.
I love bananas.
More than 28 million
There's some fish. And there's another Mickey. Do you see it? Do you see the Mickey? Right there. Mickey. But there's Minnie and Mickey. There's actually there's two Mickeys. There's a lot of Mickeys in this ride. There's Minnie, right there. She's right there. Right there. This ride always makes me hungry.
The future of agriculture may include innovative ideas like this vertical growing system. Plants grown in this way use a fraction of the space required by traditional growing methods. That's it.
So they close this whole area now. You cannot go over there. From the underneath Spaceship Earth all the way over here. Oh change. But they have the little wall over here that you can paint all the different numbers and stuff for the mural for the Festival of the Arts over there. Right behind the wall. Really cool. It's time to let it go. On Frozen Ever After. Oh yeah. Guardians of the Galaxy. Look at that. Oh, I can't wait for that to be open so I can ride it and be amazed. Oh, okay. There's so much construction going on at Epcot right now. But yeah, I think that's my my most anticipated, my most excited for construction to be done. That right there. Oh, looks like a lawnmower on the roof. You can't see. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's like this green thing right there. Looks like a lawnmower. Oh, can't wait. So because of the construction in the middle of the park, we're exiting this way, right beside the construction. Right here. Let me show you. Right there is where we're exiting the park now. I've never been this way. Wow. Fancy places I've never been at Disney. Okay, here we go. That's the exit. The exit brings you right beside over here. And this side is Spaceship Earth. So there's a construction wall where you can't go in the middle of Epcot anymore. And then so you can go this way or the way we came in. And that's where you can enter or exit the park now. Only two ways in, one way or the other side of Future World. So yeah. Oh, construction. Oh, construction. We are done for the day. It was a good day. Good day. Had some fun. Some family. At Epcot. Bye, Spaceship Earth. I'll see you next time. But we are headed home. Actually, we're going to go eat dinner first, and then we're going to head home. We see you guys next time. Remember to live your adventure. Bye-bye.